Hello people and welcome back to Quebec on DashCam channel, a channel featuring only the craziest road moments out there captured on driver's dashcam. And we'll start this episode off with a lot of road fails caught on this driver's dashcam. Make sure to stick around and perhaps you'll learn a thing or two. We have a lot of drivers who don't use turn signals at all while changing lanes, not to mention checking at their side view or rear view mirrors at all. These are the types of drivers that cause the most accidents on the road, and no matter how careful you are, you can never be careful enough. We would advise all drivers in traffic to be more mindful of others, take it easy on your gas pedal, and check for every lane before making a lane change, because you can never know when another vehicle or a biker might be there. After all, an accident is something that none of us want. Snowy and icy roads can cause a lot of trouble for drivers in traffic, and in this situation here, the camera caught a crash at the intersection due to bad road conditions. Crazy bus driver blatantly cut right in front of the camera without bothering to turn his head to look, even though he had a clear view of the camera approaching. Basics of bad driving are explained in this video right here. Pay close attention at the driver in front. First, he was cutting across a solid line, but then all of a sudden, he suddenly moved back into the camera's lane without using his indicators or turn signals. Don't be like this guy. In this video, we can see the importance of traffic signs, because one lady in particular didn't bother stopping at the stop sign, and because of her careless reaction, she nearly caused a heavy accident.
She didn't even stop.
All the time your camera phone is automatic.
This video shows how dangerous traffic can get at times and why it's really important to have a dashcam in your vehicle. If it wasn't for the dashcam, the camera might have easily been scammed by an insurance scammer. And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Koron DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes made by these drivers. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. And if you truly like my work, don't hesitate to leave a like, because that would motivate us to put out fresh new content for you guys more often. While you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. And of course, until the next episode, drive safe and watch out for all the crazy drivers out there.